In this video, we'll be demonstrating the Tensile tester kit, the ES6, one of the 18 experiments available in the engineering science range from TecQuipment. The simple-to-use kit allows students to practically learn the principles of tensile tests on specimens of different materials. By mounting materials such as plastic, aluminium and steel, students can twist the chuck to stretch the specimen and examine the overall stress, strain, elongation, tensile strength and yield properties. Tests can be performed to the point of destruction, where the material snaps with a dramatic clunk. It's this physical feedback as you twist the chuck and hear and feel the specimen break that makes this a very engaging experiment. Two chucks, one at the top and another at the bottom, hold the specimen in place. The load nut at the top pulls the chuck upwards as you turn it. Down here is the bottom chuck connected to two large springs with a dial indicator that measures the deflection of the springs as you apply the force. The springs obey Hooke's law, which means that you can use measurements taken from the dial indicator to calculate the elasticity of the different specimens. For more information about the Tensile tester kit and other experiments in the engineering science range, click on the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching.